test drive here. 65,404 miles on the odometer. Car sounds amazing, shifts nice and smooth. The steering wheel is just very slightly off center, but the alignment is perfect. Probably can't hear that in camera, but it definitely crackles and pops. It sounds really, really good. Steering's nice and tight. No complaints with the drivability whatsoever. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the date code on the tires, 2024. Looking at that wheel, very light scuffs here and there. I don't see any curb rash. And then you're gonna have a little bit of flaws on the center cap. Otherwise, that wheel looks really good. Got one tiny chip there. The rest of that looks perfect. Lower rocker here looks good. I don't see any chips there. This trim looks nice. All the weather stripping is clean. Making our way down the door. That door edge is perfect. Some really light scuffs here. Otherwise, that looks nice. Quarter panel's perfect. Beautiful reflectors there. Just look how clean all of that is in there. Here on this wheel, typical flaws over the years. You're going to see some light abrasions. I don't see any curb rash though. Date code on the tire, 2024. Looking at that front end, a few light rock impacts. Most of those have all been touched up. That hood is gorgeous. Looking at the detail in here, I don't see any rock chips. That is really, really clean. Got two small chips there. I'm looking at that front end. A few light scuffs here and there, and a few tiny, tiny rock impacts, but otherwise, thing looks really, really good. Look how clean that is when you get up close. Beautiful front end. Fender looks good. A little bit of flaws there in the center cap. Otherwise, that wheel's in great condition. You do see a couple abrasions here, a few small gashes. That mirror's perfect. There's some little flaws there. If you can see that, super common. Lower rocker looks good. That wheel's in great condition. Quarter panel's clean. Looking at that bumper edge, I don't see any flaws there. Really, really nice. The taillights are clean. The middle section looks good. Same there. All of that looks amazing. Really, really nice. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Now you have your typical crack here, but the passenger side is perfect. Look at all those buttons. Those are in great condition. That lower trim looks amazing. That plastic is really, really nice. Typical wrinkles. I don't see any rips or tears there. Now you do have a little bit of wear on that bolster, but once again, no rips or tears. You're going to see the age, some discoloration over the years. Here on the steering wheel, I don't see a bunch of scuffs or scratches. You can just see how nice that is. Buttons are in great condition. Gauges look good. Trying to scan through that upper side of the dash. Short throw shifter. Looks really good in here. Here in the trunk, all of that's in great condition. The carpets look amazing. Plastics look good. And the hood struts are really strong, so they hold it up really well. Got the window tint. That brake light looks good. All right, looking at that door panel, no crack there, which is really, really nice. These buttons look amazing. Lower section looks good. A couple of little markings there. Otherwise, that panel is perfect. That trim looks good. All of that's in great condition. Looking at that bolster, typical wrinkles from over the years, but no rips. That looks good. None of that is broke, which a lot of them normally are, so that seat is amazing. Carpets look good. Just kind of scanning through the dash pieces, those look amazing. Console looks good. Looking at the seat backs, they look really nice. All of that is in great condition. All right, scanning through the engine bay, looks really good. All the plastics are in great condition. Here on the underside of the hood, that's in great condition. And you do have some sort of glue residue right there on the very upper side of the dash.